Guys, what is going on? I'm gonna show you all how to get VideoStar effects and everything like that, guys, for free. But as you guys can see, it's working on Android and iOS, guys. So I have both apps, modded apps, on my phones. As you can see, it's working, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do this. So it does not matter if you have an Android or iOS device. Watch this whole video and you're gonna see exactly how I did this, and you're gonna be able to get the all access pass in VideoStar for free. You're gonna be able to get the effects, the packs, everything like that for free, guys. And also, before I explain to you guys exactly how to do this and download it, I'm gonna be giving away this iPhone X for free. I don't need it anymore. It's pretty much brand new. I'll wipe out the whole phone and give you the case with it, and also give you these free earbuds. So if you guys would like to enter that giveaway, go ahead, like the video, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll pick one user randomly, and you'll get lucky and win a free iPhone. So yeah, guys, now let's get right into the tutorial on how to get VideoStar effects and paid add-ons for free, guys. So and you're gonna see the VideoStar injection status: no injection detected. Welcome to VideoStar app injection. This is really easy, guys. Just go ahead and click get started, and that's going to take you to the final process of the VideoStar injection. All you're going to have to do here is really simple. It's going to say, to continue the VideoStar injection, please follow and complete the instruction of 2 free offers below. Some apps may be buggy, so try some others. So let's go ahead and complete that. I'm going to go ahead and install it. Alright, so that's the first app installing. Boom. Let's go back and install another one. That Lord's Mobile one is very big. Alright. Install. Alright, guys, perfect. So we've got both the apps installing. Let's go ahead and see where they are. So the first one is right there. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Alright, guys, so I'm running that one. And let's go ahead and see if the other one is done. It should be done in a couple seconds here. There it is, guys. So both apps are installed. Now we're just going to go ahead and open it and complete the instructions as it said. So we've got both apps open, and we're completing the injection process, and we're following the instructions. So we're almost done. Believe it or not, it only took about 2 to 3 minutes. It's really fast and easy, depending how fast your internet is, to complete the injection process. And once you guys have done that, VideoStar will appear on your device. You can go ahead and open it, and it will be the legit app, guys, and all your stuff will be included. You know, the access pass, effects, themes, packs, all that, guys. So, and once you do it, it will forever be on your device. But if for some reason it doesn't download, go back to that page and make sure you do all the apps, guys, or try some other apps. Sometimes it's a bit buggy, just like how it says. So yeah, guys, that's all you got to do. Thank you very much for watching.